What's up guys, on another video. Today we've got some Lego minifigures that are Marvel Studio based. There's 12 to collect and it's series 2. I got one of the minifigures from last series, like almost the whole collection, but I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's get starting, and I won't go through them fast. I'll just talk about like the minifigure, then move on to the next one. Let's open this minifigure. First one, number 1. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got Beast. Okay, this Beast minifigure comes with a coffee cup with an X-Men symbol. He's got printing on the front. He's got a yellow belt. He's got some printing on his legs. At the back, he has some printing on his hair. He's got 2 faces, some back printing, another yellow ribbon, and there's no back leg printing. He also comes with some accessories. He comes with 2 yellowish green beams. He comes with a coffee stand. He comes with some binoculars. 2 pairs, of course. He comes with the little stand you can put together. So it goes like this. Then you put the coffee mug on top. And then the little thing, but that's not how it goes. You think it goes like that, but you put this on top. No, I don't know. But put this on top, I guess. And you do this. And that's the first bit. That's his like coffee cup. I like how it does this thing. You can even attach this on the back. So it's like got little cannon. And there's 2 little things. And he's also got a red X in the centre. And that's the Beast. Not like the Beast from Beauty and the Beast. But we've also got a Lego collectible manual. So we got number 10. Oh, I see. So you use the binoculars and stuff. Oh, I see. It's a little microscope. And then you have Storm. You have that lady, I forgot her name. You've got Wolverine, Goliath, Hawkeye's girlfriend, Hawkeye, She-Hulk, is in Hulk's girlfriend, Wolf, Mr. Cartoon, Moon Knight, and Agatha. And on the back it tells you how to build them. So yeah, that's our thing. So we move this to a side. Let's see who our next figure is. We got alright guys, so we got this character. I don't know her name, but she looks a cool character. She's got this hair, and then you build it like this. So you put one, and you put another one. So like she's got like a chocolate ice cream. Actually, I want to make it 3 scoops because it's funny. It says 2, but I'm gonna make it 3. I made it 3 anyway. Then you got this, and then you got this, and then you could get this, probably. So you could have like a cone like that, or maybe you could go like that, and all done, guys. She also comes with this little, but an extra one. Okay, so she comes with an ice cream, guys, and she also has this little stick thing, and it's really funny. I made it into like one of those Daleks from Doctor Who or something. They look like one of those droids from Star Wars or something. I just made it with the 2 pieces I could find. Next we have, second to last, the sellotapes off. Oh, let's see who we get. Ooh, Hawkeye. Let's build Hawkeye. First shirt, then legs, then head, then we need his hair, and that makes a minifigure. Then we need his legs, then we need his head, then we need his bow. He's Hawkeye, of course. He goes around the stores. He goes around the stores with his bow and arrow. He comes with a piece that looks like an archer's head, but really it's not a friend, just really dead. You think he's not a monkey, he's just a normal suspect, but when he goes undercover, his name is Hawkeye. Hawkeye, he comes with an arrow. Hawkeye, he's very towel. Hawkeye, he wears a towel. Hawkeye, he's very, very towel. Hawkeye, he likes to learn stuff with an arrow. Hawkeye, he's a towel. Hawkeye, I don't even know what I just said, but there's an arrow. Dun dun. And here you guys, there's an owl and Hawkeye. I really like this minifigure. I didn't know why I was singing for like 2 minutes, guys. But now we got some printing on Hawkeye, yeah. Basically, he just has a bow, some back printing, some front printing. He's got 2 different colour hands. He's got some printing on his hair and he's got 2 faces, and a serious face and a happy face. And he's got an owl. I'm gonna name him Bartholomew. Last series. Let's see what it is. Ooh. I'm just gonna rip the box open because it's the last series, and I think. Ooh, you got Agatha. We got Scarlet Witch's anime. She also comes with this. I'm just getting so excited because there's minifigures and stuff. But yeah. See what she got. Oh, she got a nice cape. Let's build her. And I'm not going to sing a song now. I'm just going to fastly build it. Then I'll tell you all the printing. the famous, I was going to say Harry Potter, but we've got Agatha, and she's got a cool book. She's got a cool book with the image of some sort of thing. It's like a species, but I think it looks like Medusa. Oh yes, it is Medusa. We've got Medusa in a book. You've also got her holding the book. She also has some accessories. She's got two purple things, but I decided not to add those. She has a purple cape, some back printing, yeah, you know the whole thing, but yeah, she has some back printing, some rough stuff. She's got a nice fabric cape, she's got two faces, she's got a nice dress and a nice necklace. She's got this face and this face. And she's got some nice hair. And her, you can do this, and on the back you've got this. It looks like black on the picture, but it's actually brown. And then we got her book. That's other special thing. I think I'm going to just have to get this something. It won't really fit, but that's it. So we got them all laid down on the ground. Maybe one of you could be in my next video. Hope you have a nice and entertaining mood. And make sure you see my channel. Peace, Sharky Bros. Bye.